Hey, this will be a video chart on CLGZ. What we're looking at here is a 30-minute chart. I got a bunch of questions on this one today, and I think this would probably be the best way to map out what's been going on. So all that means is instead of each one of these candlesticks representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is the traditional way you'll see, they just represent 30 minutes worth of price action. So if you look down here, you can see that up here it may look like it's a long period of time, but really it's only 3 days. So just keep that in mind and why it does look a little bit different than what you're probably used to seeing. Anyways, first let's just start off with this green line. Where is this coming from? Well, if we go back here, you can see that there was a previous high back here at 7 cents. And why am I pointing this out? Well, the main questions I got was, is the daily chart, is this play over? And, my response to all that is no, the daily chart is still in play, and this level is the main reason. It was a key level of resistance, you can see here, and then when it was broken, things just went wild, and it's been holding up as support. So keep in mind where this level comes from. So when we zoom back in, so you can see that it's been holding support multiple times around here, and as long as that remains the case, then the daily chart still has a chance. Now if the price starts to go below it, then I think there's going to be a deeper pullback, but for now, from the daily chart perspective, things are still hanging in there. Now if you're a day trader and you bought up here or here, then you should already be out, but I'm sure you have a little different outlook on things. But for the people that are in this for more of the longer term, this is the level right here at 7 cents that you're going to want to watch. The other interesting aspect for more of the tiny time frames, 30-minute being a good example, is really how tight the range has become. And the 60-minute does an excellent job pointing this out. But look at this, the past day and a half. I mean, look how tight this range is. You have this. Actually, no, that's not the best color. Let me pick another color to draw this out. So we have, this range right here where the low at 8 cents has been just holding, and then we have this coming down like that. I mean, this is very tight, and if we wanted to do something like that, you could see that we have a bull pennant, bull flag in the short term, meaning over basically just the past 2 days. You can see that volume has dried up quite a bit, but that's what you want to see during consolidations like this. And the question really becomes, what's gonna happen? Are the bulls gonna win, where there's going to be a big move to the upside, or is it going to break to the downside and go back down here and retest this 7 cent area? If I had a crystal ball, I might know the answer to that, but I don't. So all I do know is that we're in a very tight range, and with any sort of volume surge, it could really make a big move, hopefully in the upwards direction. Now the bulls do have the edge, so that's why this is called a bull pennant, bull pattern, because you can see right here, this 50-period moving average is going up, so that's what gives the overall context to the bulls. But at the same time, that's not like it's a guarantee that says it's going to go up. It's just saying that that's kind of where the odds are laying right now. So interesting chart tomorrow, and then early next week will be pretty interesting. But there's no denying how tight of a range now the price has formed itself in right here. So we'll just have to see what happens. Grab some popcorn. It's going to be like a pay-per-view battle. So if there are any other questions on the chart, please let me know. If not, I'd encourage you to check out bullwarriorstocks.com. If you go there and sign up for the free newsletter, you'll be sent a free ebook. And with your newsletter subscription, you'll get chart setups, trade ideas, educational pieces, all sorts of things from big boards down to penny stocks. So there's a good variety, something for everybody. It is all free. We've been making some good money together. So I encourage you to go to the website, sign up, and give it a try. One more time, this was CLGZ. Thanks for listening.